Now the topic before us is how does currency appreciation affect a country's exports? What is the meaning of currency appreciation? Currency appreciation means that your domestic currency becomes stronger relative to foreign currencies. When the currency of your country appreciates, it means that exports have become expensive for the foreign buyers, because foreigners will have to pay more of their own currency to purchase the same amount of goods from us or the appreciating country where the currency has appreciated. We will understand what we have said with the help of an example. Suppose USA exports cars to France. We assume that cost of car is 10,000 US dollar. This is the cost of car. We also assume that exchange rate between one US dollar and other currency, that is euro, is equal. That is 1 USD, 1 US dollar is equal to 1 euro. So the cost of car for the residents of France is 10,000 euros. Now US dollar has appreciated and the exchange rate between US dollar and euro has become 1 US dollar is equal to 1.2 euro. Now after appreciation, US dollar has appreciated, and for 1 US dollars now the residents of USA can get 1.2 euros. That is more of foreign currency they can get. Now what is the cost of car after appreciation of US dollars? Cost of car, that is what the residents of France will have to pay to purchase the said car. The cost of car is same, 10,000 US dollars. Now after appreciation they will have to pay 12,000 euros, which earlier they were paying only 10,000 euros. Now they will have to pay 12,000 euros. So when US dollar, when the currency of a country has appreciated, the foreigners have to pay more to get the things from the appreciating country. We also understand with the help of a real life example which has happened in the case of Switzerland. From September 2011 to January 2015, Swiss National Bank, Switzerland's bank, central bank, Swiss National Bank adopted the policy of maintaining exchange rate between Swiss franc, which is their currency. They were adopting the policy of maintaining the exchange rate between Swiss franc with that of euro. They were adopting the policy that this some exchange rate has to be maintained, and at around 1.2 CHF 1 euro was being exchanged. That is, the Swiss National Bank used to take the steps during this period to maintain this exchange rate. We have mentioned only approximate figures. But in January 2015, they abandoned the policy of maintaining the exchange rate between Swiss franc and euro. Now, due to the abandonment of maintaining the exchange rate between euro and franc, the Swiss franc appreciated. The currency of Switzerland and Liechtenstein. Liechtenstein is also a small border nation between Austria and Switzerland. Both these countries have same currency, Swiss franc. So, due to non due to abandoning the policy of maintaining the exchange rate between Swiss franc and euro, the currency of Switzerland, that is Swiss franc, appreciated by about 20%. All of us know that Switzerland is very famous for their watches and other things. So, due to the appreciation of Swiss franc, the exports of Swiss goods became expensive for the foreign buyers. So, when the exports became expensive in Switzerland, it also adversely affected the exports of that country. So, you have understood that when the currency of a country appreciates, it makes the goods which have to be imported expensive for the foreign buyers, and it also adversely affect the exports of that country and also the jobs of the sectors which are involved in exporting the goods. We hope you have understood the point very clearly. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.